our next topic is p-n junction. As we have already studied that in p-type semiconductor, we have majority is what? Hole carriers. Okay. Our
Yes, ma'am.
majority is hole carriers. Whereas in n-type semiconductor, the majority charge carriers are what? Electrons.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And in p-type semiconductor, my minority is what? Electrons. And in n-type semiconductor, minority charge carriers are what? Protons, yani ki holes.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm writing it here that in a p-type semiconductor, my majority carriers are electron holes and my minority carriers are what? Electrons. Whereas in n-type semiconductor, my majority charge carriers are electrons and my minority charge carriers are holes. Okay. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
when the P and N junction combines with each other, P and N, okay, when it
Yes,
starts
ma'am.
combined, the proton wants to go and attract towards the electron, and the majority charge carriers of N, that is my electrons, wants to come to attract towards the protons because opposite attract each other.
Yes, ma'am.
Because of that reason, when we have not applied any of the external electric field, we have not applied any external electric field, but for a certain period of time, my majority charge carriers move to attract with each other, and there is a flow of what? Current. Because we
Yes, ma'am.
know whenever there is a flow of electrons, whenever the electrons move from one place to another place, the current produces. And that current, without any external electric field, when the current is flowing within the PN junction, that current is known as what? Diffusion current. So if there is, wherever there is a flow of current, wherever there is a flow of current, there must be potential difference. Correct? So when we saw
Yes, ma'am.
that when we make a junction between my P and N, then we saw that there is a flow of charge carriers. My charge electrons starts moving. Protons starts moving. Okay. So here the
Yes,
proton
ma'am.
tries to attract and here electrons tries to attract. Because of that reason, here becomes what? My depletion region. It creates what? It creates depletion region. So there is a potential difference occurred between them. Okay. From here
Yes,
in
ma'am.
this direction, electron current is going and in this direction, hole current is moving. So we know that proton current and electron current are always opposite to each other. So here
Yes,
at
ma'am.
this potential, here the potential difference occur. This is what all negative, because negative tries to attract towards the positive side and positive tries to attract towards the negative side. Because of that reason, here is all protons and here is all electron and here make a potential difference. So because here is all electrons are there, that side is negative terminal and here all protons are there, that side is a positive terminal. And this potential difference is known as what? Potential barrier. Okay. So So for a certain
ma'am.
period of time period, if this is my V and this is my I, for a certain period of time period, the current flows when we have not applied any external battery, external voltage. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, the next topic comes, you might have saw that a forward biasing and a reverse biasing topic is also there. Forward biasing means what? If we are talking about that this person is a straightforward person. If something is wrong, he will say directly to you. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So here is what majority charge carriers are what? Holes. Holes means what? Positive charge. So for if the battery terminal here is positive, and here is what? Electrons. It means negative charge. And this one is connected with the negative. Then we are saying that this is a forward bias. Then this connection is what? My forward bias. And if I reverse it in the means of state that if this positive charge is negative with the negative terminal and the this N type is connected with the positive terminal of the battery, then this type of connection is known as what? Reverse bias. Now, we know that if we connected reverse bias, the protons wants to come here to attract the negative terminal. Then very few current is flowing in this type of circuit. In reverse bias, very just like milliampere of current is flowing.
Yes, ma'am.
If ampere is milli, then the voltage will be what? Micro, because voltage is always bigger as compared to my current.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so voltage will be microampere or more or less ampere of voltage will be there, and the current will be milliampere. But in case of forward biasing, bache, in case of forward biasing, the protons here, the flow of protons, so we are pushing the protons, go. So lot of current is flowing in the forward biasing. Now the next thing is that about threshold voltage or cut-in voltage, and you might have studied about the breakdown voltage. In the reverse bias, we are having what? A breakdown voltage. Breakdown is that voltage where we can see tremendous fluctuation in the current. And in forward bias, previously when we increase our voltage, the current will not flow. Why? Because already when we have not applied any external electric field, all current has already flown in that. So because of that reason, we need more protons. So when we increase our voltage, first current will not flow. After certain voltage, when current starts flowing slowly and gradually, 1 ampere, 2 ampere, 3 ampere, that voltage from where the current starts flowing is known as what? Threshold voltage or cut-in voltage. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see the notes. Here we have already studied about the PN junction. So here it is written very nicely that here acceptor ions in P type is what that is left behind. That is my electrons. And donor items in N type semiconductor is what? Protons. Okay, all these things are written nicely. So go through the notes. Depletion region also I have already taught you. Depletion region is what? That region where the protons and electrons combine with each other, okay, and form a
Yes, ma'am.
potential barrier Okay, and that current which is flowing without giving any external voltage is known as what? By diffusion current. So if this diffusion current majority charge carriers across the p-n junction give rise to an electric current from p to n side and is known as the diffusion current. Whenever electron move from n to p में जाके खुद को क्या कर लेता है? It becomes neutralized.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
वो क्या कर लेता है? अपने आप को न्यूट्रलाइज कर लेता है. Okay, and normally
Yes, ma'am.
our current is flowing. इसका कन्वेंशनल करंट से कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है. ठीक है, डिफ्यूजन करंट
Yes,
का
ma'am.
कन्वेक्शन करंट से कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है. डिफ्यूजन करंट इज व्हाट? द करंट व्हिच इज फ्लोइंग इनसाइड द सेमीकंडक्टर, इनसाइड द पीएन जंक्शन. And diffusion current is what? If I will show you here, from here inside the semiconductor, our current is flowing in which direction? In this direction.
Yes, ma'am.
But here, and this is what? My whole current. But in the convection, in my and what is about the convection current? Convection current is flowing in this direction. When we are giving external electric field, correct? From
Yes,
here
ma'am.
to here, in forward biasing. I'm talking about the forward biasing. Clear? So there's a no connection between the convection current and my diffusion current. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है. ये डिफ्यूजन करंट मूवमेंट में प्रोड्यूस होता है और फिर वैनिश हो जाता है आफ्टर सर्टेन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. इट स्टॉप्स. दैट्स व्हाई. बट डिफ्यूजन कन्वेंशनल करंट इट विल कंटिन्यू until and unless and until when we plug on my key or when we turn off the switch, right?
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
fine, मैं ये भी बता देती हूँ. डिप्लीशन करंट, ये रीजन जहां इलेक्ट्रॉन होल्स मीट कर रहे हैं सब न्यूट्रलाइज हो जाते हैं, इसीलिए यहाँ पे खाली रहता है क्या? हमारा होल्स या इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. ओके, यहाँ पे चार्ज का शॉर्टेज हो जाता है क्योंकि चार्ज की कमी हो गई है. अगर डोपिंग में की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन को बढ़ा दे, concentration means if we apply more doping is what? If we are applying more dopant is what? By impurity, and impurity semiconductor is known as what? Extrinsic semiconductor.
Extrinsic. Yes.
Right? And pure
Yes,
semiconductor
ma'am.
is known as what? Intrinsic semiconductor, where
Intrinsic.
we have not applied any of the impurity. ओके, तो अगर डोपिंग
Yes,
क्या
ma'am.
की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन को बढ़ा दे तो डिप्लीशन रीजन कम हो जाता है. अगर हम डोपिंग कम कर दे तो डिप्लीशन रीजन बढ़ जाता है. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. इफ यू वांट यू कैन राइट इट डाउन इन इंग्लिश बिकॉज़ यू अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी, यू कांट एबल टू रीड हिंदी, राइट? So just write
Yes,
it
ma'am.
down. If we apply more doping in our semiconductor, depletion region will be small. If we apply less doping in semiconductor, depletion region will be more. So what happened? So in my so in the forward bias, this point also I have to teach you. In the forward bias, depletion region is what? Very few times. Simply use understand. Don't remember it. If the current is flowing in a very fast way, if you have to study too much, there will be time to do surfing in your mobile phone or see TV? No,
No,
na?
ma'am.
Obviously no. So in the forward bias, the current is flowing too much. So depletion region will be what? Automatically smaller because there is no time to meet electrons and protons to meet themselves and make a party. Correct? So here the depletion region will be what? Small. And here in the reverse bias, we know there is a very few microamperes current of is there. So there is too much of time. If you are alone, sitting alone with no work, you will do surfing in the mobile phone. Correct?
Yes,
so here also, in reverse bias, microampere of current is there. So electron or protons has too much of time to make a combination with each other. Okay? To make a diffusion current. So here diffusion region will be what? large.
Yes.
Understood? There's no need to learn
Yes,
it,
ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think it's written it here. बैटरी की पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस सपोर्ट करता है, चार्ज को चलने में सपोर्ट करता है, सर्किट में रन करने के लिए और सर्किट में चलने के लिए. दिस हेल्प्स. So forward and reverse bias is also I have taught you. So depletion region in the forward bias is smaller as compared to the depletion region in the reverse bias. Okay. अच्छा,
Yes, ma'am.
here also is written in Hindi, so I am explaining you. पहले पोटेंशियल बैरियर कम या पर ऐड होने की वजह से, ओके, पोजीशन ऐड
Yes.
होने की वजह से पोटेंशियल बैरियर इंक्रीज हो गया तो डिप्लेशन रीजन बढ़ गया. दैट मींस मोर वोल्टेज वी नीड फॉर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स टू मूव फ्रॉम एन टू पी टाइप एंड फॉर्म अ करंट. सो करंट फॉर्मेशन इज वेरी स्मॉल, ऑलमोस्ट निग्लिजिबल इन द जस्ट लाइक अ माइक्रो एम्पियर. यहाँ पे मिली एम्पियर करंट होता है किसमें? इन द फॉरवर्ड बायस as well as in the reverse bias it will be what? Micro. And this three thing, acha, this thing I have not taught you. Okay. See, in the P type, if you make a diagram, P type is denoted as what? Triangle. This is the symbol of P type. And one line is denoted for N type. Okay. So if P type is connected to my positive terminal of the battery and N type is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, then this is known as what? Forward bias.
Forward bias. Yes.
Right? Whereas
Yes, ma'am.
if a P type is connected to negative terminal of the battery and N type is connected to positive terminal of the battery, then it is known as what? Reverse bias.
Reverse bias.
Okay. So here is also
Yes.
see. Here is a voltmeter we have adjusted so that to know the what is the voltage, and we know voltmeter is always connected in the parallel and ammeter is always connected in the series, right? So here P
Yes,
is
ma'am.
connected. It says what? Rheostat to control the voltage, to control the this one ohm, not ohm, resistance, right? So after
ma'am.
this, after P type, it is connected to my negative terminal of the battery, and N is connected to my positive terminal of the battery. That's why it is what? Reverse bias. Understand how to draw the
Yes.
diagram? So after
ma'am.
increasing the voltage, the current is what? Same. But after this voltage, after 6 volt, the current is going tremendously change. Then this current voltage is known as what? Breakdown voltage.
Yes, ma'am.
6 is known as what? Breakdown voltage. Whereas in my forward bias, I have increased my voltage. The current is not flowing. That I've already taught you. But at 4,
ma'am.
this is what my threshold voltage, cut-in voltage. At 4, the current starts flowing. Is this clear? Here also P
Yes, ma'am.
is connected to my positive terminal and is connected to my negative terminal, and use a rheostat to control the resistivity. Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now, rectifier. What do you mean by the word rectifier? See, beta. You might have seen this type of things at with your laptop. This type of things in your laptop, and in the
Yes, ma'am.
mobile phone, the dongle is there, the charger, the charger. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
right. So if we are talking about a very nice charger, it means their adapter is very nice. The phone charges very fast. The phone is not dependent upon the wire. The charging is not dependent upon the wire. The charging is mainly dependent upon the adapter. If your adapter is not so cheaper adapter, your mobile phone will take a lot of time to charge. But if the adapter is very nice, original quality, then it will take very less time to charge. Now, but the thing is that the current which is using in our in my mobile phone, okay, the current that we are using in our mobile phone, that type of current is what? AC or DC current?
Don't know, ma'am.
Obviously DC current, because DC is what? Continuously current, direct current, correct?
Yes.
Wherever we are talking about the battery, we are talking about the DC current. But if you see the light, if you see the fan, when it is moving, it always fluctuates because
Yes.
of AC supply.
Yes.
But our mobile phone is working on DC. So what is there which changed from AC to DC? That is rectifier. If your laptop wire is not working properly, okay, if this hub is not working properly, it is very costly. But what about this wire? This wire is not so costly. This is cheaper, because the main
Yes,
thing
ma'am.
is what? My hub. Here rectifier is there, which is converting my AC supply, which is coming at our home, and converting to my DC supply, which your laptop use. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Wire is not costly. In mobile phone also you might have seen wire cost hardly 100 rupees, 150. But adapter cost is too much, 250, 300, 400, like that. Okay, because main thing is what? My adapter. So what is rectifier? Rectifier is that device that convert my AC to DC supply. And the conversion of AC to DC supply is known as what? Rectification. The process, this rectification is what? Process of converting AC to DC supply.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the process of converting AC to DC supply is known as what? My rectification. Now, rectifier is of two types again. One is half wave rectifier and another is full wave rectifier. Very easy to understand. Half means what? If this is my DC sorry. If this is my AC supply, at our home AC supply comes. If this is my AC supply, half wave, this is what? Wave. Which wave? AC wave. So half wave rectifier, it means DC is what? Half. So it means that only half is converting. Full wave means what? If this is my AC wave, it means the DC will be what? My full. Fully converted into DC
Yes.
supply.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Now
Yes,
circuit
ma'am.
diagram. See, in half wave rectifier, here we are using only one PN junction. Because of that reason, it is half wave. Whereas in full wave rectifier, we are using two PN junctions. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the circuit diagram, see the notes. If this is my AC supply, and we know everywhere we are using what? Transformer. Why? Because our AC supply is how much? Maybe 240, maybe 300 volt. Correct? But our mobile
Yes, ma'am.
phone needs what? Only 10 volt. Okay. So we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to do what? Step down transformer. Right? Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
That we have already studied in term 1. So there will be transformer. Okay, why we are using transformer? Understood? Now here we are using what? PN junction. Now this is very important. When we use the positive wave, this is negative wave, positive wave, negative wave, positive wave, negative wave, positive wave. When we are talking about the positive wave, it means this will become positive and S2 will become what? Negative. What? S1 will become what? positive and S2 become what? Negative. So
Yes, ma'am.
this is what? Positive. This one is negative. It means this is a true connection. Forward bias.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? It means current will flow. So current will flow. Okay? But when we are talking about negative cycle, S1 will become negative, S2 will become positive. Previously, S1 was what? Positive and S2 will become what? Negative. Now in the negative half cycle, S1 is negative. So S1 is negative and S2 is positive. So in P is connected to negative and N is connected to positive. This means this is a false connection. False connection means what? False connection means
Reverse.
what? Our
Reverse bias.
reverse bias. True connection means what? Forward bias.
Forward bias.
Clear? So
Yes,
in my
ma'am.
reverse bias, microampere of current is flowing. It means almost negligible. Because of that reason, no current will flow. When we are talking about positive, this one become positive and this one become what? S2 will become what? Negative. It means S1 is connected to my P type and S2 is connected to my N type. True connection. It means current will flow. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, when we are talking about negative, it means that S1 will become negative, S2 will become positive. It means false connection, and in false connection, no current. Again, S1
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be positive. In this, S1 will be positive and S2 will be negative. It means current will flow. Now, what is the circuit diagram? Okay. So, when we are talking about positive, it means the S1 load, S2, S1. It should be close.
Yes, ma'am.
S1 load, S2, S1. But what about the false connection? In my false connection, it will become what? S2 load, S1, S2. This is for false connection and this is for true connection. Understood half wave rectifier?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. But what about the rectifier? Everything is written here very nicely. Okay? And हाँ यहाँ पे
Yes,
मैं
ma'am.
है, so I'm telling you. But here यहाँ negative के में वेव नहीं मिल रहा है तो हमारा चार्ज बहुत टाइम लेगा मोबाइल चार्ज लेने के लिए, इसीलिए हमें फुल वेव रेक्टिफायर की जरूरत है बिकॉज वी नीड कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ पॉजिटिव वेव. So now we will take what? Full wave rectifier. So in full wave rectifier we have two PN junction. When this one will become positive and this one will be negative, then my connection will be what? S1 load or this wire is what? Overlap. ऊपर से गया. Okay.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
not connected to my S2. And again S1. S1 load S1. It means true connection. When we are talking about positive wave cycle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When we are talking about positive, then S1 is what? Positive. S2 is what? Negative. You can see here S2. S2 is negative. S2 is negative. So here current, this is what? Reverse bias.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, this is what? Forward bias. S2 is negative. This one is positive. Na? Negative. Na? S1 is what? Negative. So this is what? My totally forward bias. Okay, and S1 is what? Connected to my P type semiconductor. So this is what? My forward bias. Now, what happens to my next when negative cycle comes? When my negative cycle comes, so here the wave is what? Positive. Now, what about negative? S2 is negative, S1 is negative, positive. Sorry, S2 is positive, S1 is negative. Now, okay, reverse bias.
Yes, ma'am.
So we are neglecting S1 because S1 makes very few microampere. Previously, we have neglected what? When S1 is positive, we have neglected D2.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? Because that time D2 is what? Reverse bias. But now, in this case, D2 is forward bias and D1 is reverse bias. So we neglect it. So the current will flow from where? S2, D2, load again S2. S2, load S2. It means true connection.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? S2 is positive, S1 is negative. So again, my wave will flow. When we are talking about again, S1 is positive and S2 is negative, that time this connection will be there. Because D2 will become what? Reverse bias, so negligible. And here D1 is reverse bias, so negligible. And D2 is forward bias. And here D1 is forward bias. Understood, Rishi? And because of that
ma'am.
reason, the continuity of current will be flow. In this way, you have completed this chapter.
Yes, ma'am.